This vinegar foot hack changed everything. Hey everyone, let's talk about something we all deal with but maybe don't love to chat about. Our feet. They work so hard for us, don't they? From the kitchen to the grocery store and back again. But at the end of a long day, they can get a little tired and grumpy. We're talking about stinky, dry, cracked, and just plain unhappy feet. It's a totally normal thing, but that doesn't mean we have to live with it. We spend so much time on how we look, and our feet get left behind. You've probably seen a million creams, powders, and gadgets promising baby soft feet. But who has time for complicated routines? I'm always on the lookout for simple, affordable solutions. What if I told you one of the best kept secrets for happy feet is sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now? The secret ingredient is vinegar. Yes, good old-fashioned vinegar. Apple cider or plain white will work. It can deodorize, help with fungal issues, and soften rough skin. Stick around. Next, why vinegar works. It's kitchen magic. Alright, so you're probably wondering, why put my feet in vinegar? Well, it's not just an old wives' tale. There's real science behind this. Vinegar is acidic. That acidity creates an environment many odor-causing bacteria don't like. Think of it as a natural deodorizer. Stinky feet usually come from sweat mixing with bacteria. Vinegar helps neutralize that environment. It tells those germs to pack their bags. That same acidity helps with fungal issues like athlete's foot. Fungi love warm, damp spaces. Vinegar makes skin less welcoming. A simple soak can keep things in check. What about rough, cracked heels? Vinegar acts as a mild exfoliant. The mild acid helps loosen dead skin for easy sloughing, so it deodorizes, helps fight fungus, and softens skin. A triple threat. All with one inexpensive pantry staple. Simple, natural, and cost-effective. Now that we know why it works, let's walk through exactly how to do it. You'll be surprised how easy and relaxing it is. Next up, the step-by-step guide. Ready to give your feet the treat they deserve? It's so easy. You'll wonder why you haven't tried it sooner. First, gather your supplies. A basin, vinegar, and warm water. You'll need a basin or tub big enough for both feet. Use a foot spa if you have one. Or a simple dish tub or clean bucket works great. Then grab your star ingredient, vinegar. Visual. Pour the vinegar into the basin. Add nice warm water, comfortable, not hot. Use about 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. 1 cup vinegar, 2 cups water, adjust for bowl size. Fill to ankle level so both feet are submerged. Don't just dip your toes. Let your whole foot in on the action. Water should be warm. Test with your hand first. Soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Lean back, put on music, read or close your eyes and relax. Make it a little self-care moment. Instant relief. When the timer goes off, carefully dry your feet, especially between toes. Apply a thick moisturizer to lock in softness. Put on cotton socks to let it sink in overnight. Spa quality at home. Want to take your soak from great to fabulous? Plain white vinegar works fine. But raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother is my preference. If you have it, it adds a natural boost. Add a handful of Epsom salts to soothe sore muscles. Vinegar and Epsom salt are a power couple for foot care. Want aroma? Add a few drops of essential oil. Tea tree for antifungal benefits. Lavender for relaxation. Peppermint for a refreshing zing. Temperature is key. Warm, but not hot. Too hot can dry skin or be uncomfortable. Aim for Goldilocks temperature that makes you sigh. Think about post-soak care. While skin is soft, use a pumice stone gently on calluses. Use a foot file for the balls of your feet. Be gentle. Follow immediately with a rich cream to lock in moisture. Put clean cotton socks on to let it work overnight. You'll wake up with feet that feel brand new. Small additions make it spa-worthy. Aromas fade and benefits remain, lovely, simple, and effective. And so, how often should you do this? For most, once or twice a week is perfect for maintenance. It helps keep odor and dryness at bay. If you have persistent issues, do it more often. 3 to 4 times weekly until improvement, then scale back. Listen to your body and your feet. Important. Vinegar is acidic. Don't soak if you have open cuts or sores. It will sting and could irritate broken skin. Wait until sunburns or open wounds are fully healed. Know when a home remedy isn't enough. If you have diabetes, check with your doctor first. Severe infections or infected wounds, see a professional. This vinegar foot hack is simple, effective, and budget-friendly. It deodorizes. It softens and helps protect your skin. Take 20 minutes, raid your pantry, and give it a try. One simple soak can change everything for your feet. Your happy, refreshed feet will thank you. It's a good thing. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more pantry-powered beauty tips. See you next time.